At least you've got the guitar, so we're kind of safe.
Yeah. No, why, man? Why? Why do you hit me, man? You can extract, but why? What's the problem, dude?
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
And what do you mean don't shoot, man? You're the one hitting me, correct?
All right. Okay. Thanks.
You can extract, but
Appreciate it.
Jimbo, come on guys. Come on guys.
Don't shoot, please.
what's fucking wrong with you, man?
Play the guitar, man.